We here at Nintendo have already detailed how the new Nintendo Switch allows you, the player, to take your favorite Nintendo experiences from home and take them with you on the go. But today, we are going to detail our exciting online plans for this exciting new console. With the new Nintendo Switch and our new Nintendo Online service, we were able to realize a very long-running dream for many of us here at Nintendo. What is that dream, you ask? That dream is to offer an online rental service where players get to have temporary access to 25-year-old game ROMs for a period of 30 days. That's right. With the power of the Switch and the new Nintendo Online service, you will get 30-day rentals of select games from the NES and Super NES. You'll have the opportunity to purchase these games following the rental period after we take it back from you. These are some of the very best games that the early 1990s had to offer, and you're going to get them digitally for 30 days for free after paying an undisclosed amount for your Nintendo Online subscription. We will be detailing even more about our exciting new Nintendo Online service in an upcoming Nintendo Direct presentation, including amazing new features, such as being able to chat with your friends during an online match by using your fucking phone!